I'm Nyesha McCauley, and you're watching AccessTV.org.
Good evening and welcome to AccessTV.org. We're here at the NAACP's annual Freedom Fund event. The Greater Hartford branch has been around for almost 100 years now. We're in the capital city of Connecticut, and we're here this evening with the illustrious mayor of the city of Hartford, Pedro Segarra. Mayor, it is indeed an honor and a privilege for you to be here this evening and for you to take the time to speak with us here at AccessTV.org. We want to know why this organization, the NAACP, remains so relevant to you and to this community at this particular time.
Well, I think it's relevant because I think that the hope, the aspiration of equality has not yet been fulfilled in these United States of America. And even our president, who as recently as yesterday I had the pleasure of being with at the White House, is in a real big battle for the aspiration of bringing equality to our nation. There is not equality in our state, there is not equality in our city. It is an aspiration. So unless we have organizations like the NAACP and other organizations who are committed towards equality, towards making sure that they advocate in situations where we need to advocate and make sure that we hold leaders and others accountable, that aspiration of equality will not come to fruition. Our city in particular, Hartford, is a poor city. We are one of the poorest cities in this country. The disparities in health and education and income and employment are incredible.
Yes.
So if there is not organizations such as the NAACP who rattle the consciousness,
sure,
the moral consciousness of our community and other communities, then we do not have the hope. We do not have the opportunity to reach that equality. Now, as a Latino, I know that we're also still facing a lot of the inequality. As a openly gay person, I know that we're also, but what happens if we get all these communities working together, sure, towards that objective of equality? That's what's really important. And I think that it's going to take some time, but I think we just need to intensify that commitment.
Well, I think it's wonderful that you have such a strong conviction to equal rights and to civil rights, and that this community, quite frankly, is blessed, if you will, to have you at the helm. It certainly takes that kind of conviction to make a difference. We're glad you're here tonight and that you are a part of what's happening in the civil rights community. We want to know if you got some parting words for us. I'm sure you got a whole bunch of things to say about what's happening nationally. You were with Mr. President Obama this evening, and I'm sure you got a lot from that. What more can be said?
Starting October 1st, the president has made it very clear that he is not going to negotiate with those that seek to rob his administration and this country of Obamacare. Mm-hmm. So for all those 34,000 people in Hartford that are not insured, starting October 1st, we're eligible to start signing people up for the exchange, Obamacare. And it affords opportunities of better health care for our community. And I think that one of the things that contributes to poverty is oftentimes the poor state of health of our community, sometimes mental, sometimes physical. And this affords us one other opportunity to sign up, to get into the healthcare network and be able to improve the quality of life of our community. Also to continue to support our president. He's going through a very difficult time. As executives, as chief executives, we could have the best intentions and the best plans, but if we don't get the support and the endorsement of our legislatures, absolutely, who are the ones that actually make the law, right, it's very difficult for us to move forward. So we need to continue to support them.
Well said, Mayor. It's a privilege and it's an honor. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you so much.
All right.